Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. I am Akshay Parmar, Assistant Professor at LJ Institute of Engineering and Technology in IT/IC department. Welcome to the video tutorial series of the data communication and the computer networks. As you all are aware about, the fiber optics technology is the new generation of the data communication and the computer networks. So let's discuss about the fiber distributed data interface, right? FDDI. So which kind of techniques they are using and what is its frame structure, we will discuss. So outline of about the today's session is, the first of all we will see what is the fiber distributed data interface, FDDI, and after that we will see the FDDI layers and the protocols which are linked with that particular layers, right? So what do you mean by the FDDI, right? So it is as a standard. So the FDDI is the standard developed for the transmitting data on the optical fibers. It can support the data transmission rate up to the 100 Mbps, right? So while you are working with the fiber optics, it is the standard developed with the work with the optical fibers, and it is supporting the data transfer rate up to the 100 Mbps. So which kind of physical topologies it is having? The FDDI is having the dual ring topology. The dual ring topology uses the secondary ring which operates in the reverse direction compared with the main ring. As you can observe in the diagram, that is the main ring which is working in the clockwise manner, and the secondary ring which is fall under that ring, it is connected with all the nodes which is operating the reverse direction of the main link, right? That is the, as you can observe in our figure, that it is working in the anti-clockwise, right? It can be the vice versa also. So that in the dual ring topology, it is the secondary ring which operates in the reverse direction compared with the main ring. As you can observe that the main ring is working in the clockwise, so the secondary ring is working in the anti-clockwise. So if the main ring is working in the anti-clockwise, then secondary ring must work in the clockwise manner. The secondary ring is for the emergency use only, right? It is not always used. If one of the link in the main ring fails, the system automatically combines the two ring from the temporary ring, right? If one of the link in the main ring fails, the system automatically combines the two rings to form a temporary ring. After the failed link is restored, the secondary ring becomes the ideal again. To use the topology, each station needs to have the two transmitter port and the two receiver port. One is connected with the main ring and the another is connected with the secondary ring, as you can observe in the figure also, right? So this is all about the FDDI. So which kind of layering it is having? So FDDI layers is working in the two layers, in the data link layer and in the physical layer, right? So in the data link layer, there are having the logical link control and the media access control there, right? And in the physical layer, there is having the physical layer protocols and the physical medium dependent is lying under the physical layer, and the station management is managing the stuff between the physical layer, data link layer and the network layer, right? So let's see about its brief, right? So which kind of things is having in the data link layer? In the logical link control and in the media access control, it is form under the data link layer, and the physical layer protocol and the physical media dependent are fall under the physical layer, right? So let's discuss in brief about that layer formation, right? So in the logical layer, logical link control, which kind of thing is having there, right? So where does it is using? So the logical link controls provide the service to the network layer, right? The logical link layer establish the control of the logical link between the logical devices on the network. The logical link control provides the node to node flow and error control, right? So the flow and the error control is performed under the logical link control. After that, in the media access control, the frame formation, token passing, and the addressing is performed under the media access control MAC, right? So that is the task which is performed at the logical link control and in the media access control, right? After that, let's move forward about the physical layer. So in the physical layer, that is the fall under the physical layer protocol and the physical medium dependent. So which kind of thing it is performed under the physical layer protocol? The data encoding and the data decoding procedure are performed under the physical layer protocol. The clock requirement is there in the physical layer protocol, right? That are the tasks which is performed at the physical layer protocol. After that, which kind of physical medium dependence is there? So the transmission medium include the fiber optics links are the dependent under the physical medium, right? The power levels, bit error rates, and the optical components are the dependent for the physical medium, right? So that's fall under the physical layer. After that, what kind of things are performed in the station management? In the station management, all the configurations are performed under that, right? So in that, the FDDI station configuration is performed under the station management. The ring configuration, as we have observed that they are following the dual ring topology, so that ring configuration is also fall under the station management. The ring control features and the station insertion and the removal faults are also performed by the station management. The fault isolation and the recovery and the scheduling and the rescheduling, all the tasks are performed under the station management itself, right? So as we have discussed that which kind of things we are fall under the data link layer and which kind of the things are fall under the physical layer is we have seen, and the which kind of the station management techniques is already performing. So this protocol or this standard is made to work with the optical fiber which can offers up to the 100 Mbps speed, right? That's all about the today's session.